Here's a sweetheart, especially for Mustang fans. Great year, 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. Very popular body style. Now, this particular car, very original to the way it would have came from Ford back in 68. This one actually has a build of December of 67. Early production car. There is a Marty report on it too, you'll be able to see in the still pictures, and I'll tell you where to check those out in a little bit. Acapulco Blue D-code car. So as you can see, still wearing its original paint color. Interior black standard bucket seats, which would be a 2A trim code. And you can check out the door tag and the still pictures. You can check out the Marty report. Look this car all over, top to bottom. Beautiful restoration. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Take a look at the front grille and the iconic front end, running pony, driving lights or fog lights. Also located up in the grille. Paint in this car, extremely nice shape, and I'll just let you take a look for yourself in the video. Reflection coming off the sign on the wall, how clearly you can read it. Nice luster of the paint. Underneath the hood, this is an S code 390. And best of all, original 4-speed manual car also. Wow. Good color. Right engine, right tranny. Still the way it's set up. That C stripe. Check out the interior, of course, bucket seats. Shifter on the floor. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes. Very stock looking interior. Still has the AM/FM radio in it. I have not had that working, FYI. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures one more time, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust, backup lights, and then the iconic rear end also. 68's beautiful from back here. Once again, take a look up and down this side of the car. Driver's side just as straight as the passenger side. It's just really haven't came across much for dings, nicks, scratches at all. This would be a great one for any of the local shows. Cruise-ins, roll-ins. This would be a fun one to drive here. Definitely turn some heads. Remember, S code 390 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, and nice equipment. We're going to check that out in a little bit. Let you hear it run. All right, black standard bucket seat interior, door panels, just everything looking the way it should. Headliner also in nice shape all the way to the back seat. Of course, the back seat will fold down. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Also played around a little bit. Wipers work, horn works. Hear how nice and solid that door closes. That even sounds good. All right. So how easily it starts. Fuel gauge works. Tachometer working. Temp gauge, assuming it's going to go up according to the technician went through the car, will go up with the temperature of the car. I have not had this car running. That was a cold start. Sorry about the glare in here. Again, the iconic 68 dash, and also in nice shape. Not dry rotted, not cracked. Again, beautiful restoration on this car. Listen to this thing purr. Ooh, that sounds good. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. And we'll check out that engine bay. See that door close? Oh, listen to that. Beautiful. This one will turn some heads with its sound and with its looks. No doubt about that. All right, I'm going to come up to the front. I want to pause just a second, pop the hood, check out the engine bay. I bet it's looking as good as the rest of this car.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. It's going to be what you expected, I have a feeling. Look how smooth that runs. Chrome valve covers. Great sound. And no sounds that you shouldn't hear, if you know what I'm saying. Knocks, lifter noise, anything like that. Just a smooth running 390. Sometimes the best thing's what you don't hear. Wow, if you're looking for a very original looking 68 Fastback Mustang, the way it would have came from Ford back in the day, this one to be specific, December of '67, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this one may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.